You're gonna love the 2016 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, tow hitch, traction control. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.